Good day from beautiful Kananaskis, Alberta. This is Tony Esteves coming to you from Wasouch Ridge. A beautiful, beautiful place. This is just about a 2.5 hour hike up from the road today if you fancy something beautiful not too far from Calgary. On my journey up the mountain today, I was thinking about the Talk to More People project and how intentionally meeting strangers is a very worthwhile thing to do. And I've recently received another reminder of that, and that is that I've had a suit of mirrors made by Olga Sem, a very talented mask maker and an artist here in Calgary. And it's for a performance that we're going to put on in the fall. And that's a result of Olga having seen me do a presentation at an event that I got booked at because of a conversation with a complete stranger. That was Jeff Wilkie, who I met at a party once. And so it's neat to see the chain of events that can lead to different circumstances and actually lead to different events in your life if you trace them back. And I just say that in this beautiful space and this beautiful place as a reminder that it's worthwhile to talk to strangers and to see what opportunities you can create. So I challenge you to get out there and do so. And if you need some tips on how to do so, shoot me a note, and I happen to have some suggestions on how you just might be able to do that more easily and more comfortably. I've got to continue some hiking here now, so I will bid you a good day. Happy June. See you later. Keep connecting.